Hello everyone, welcome! This is AC at the Forge. For today's video, I will be sharing with you how I reorganize our snacks cupboard and fridge ready for the new groceries. But first, make sure you subscribe for more home and family related videos. So, we don't have a pantry. I can only wish. This kitchen island is basically our snacks cupboard, so the kids can freely access them whenever they want. I don't have any rules for snacking. I am not strict when it comes to snack times. Others I know close their kitchen at 4 p.m. to make room for dinner. That's actually a good idea, but because there are times when we don't get home until 4, so it's upsetting if they won't be able to get their snacks just because 4 p.m. has passed. Our only rule is that they can have whatever they want, just make sure that they eat properly at meal times. If not, then that's when we adjust snack times. So far, they are okay. Okay, hold your breath and see the state of these cupboards. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. But it just goes to show that these are the kids' favorite spot in the kitchen. They actually open and close this 10 million times a day. We do our grocery shopping at Tesco twice a month and Costco and Asian stores once a month. Basically, the cupboards and the fridge are only cleaned and reorganized during those times. I take everything out, hoover, and wipe every drawer and then rearrange them nicely. For big and already open packs, I just cut the tops off so they can still look tidy and use these IKEA clips to close and keep them fresh. I use baskets for small and loose stuff, but the big packets are fine without. This is a very unhealthy cupboard, I know. I really admire those who eat healthy snacks. We just couldn't stop having our usuals for now. Hopefully soon, we get the courage to eat healthier. On to the fridge. The containers inside the fridge doesn't only make it look tidy, but it's also very functional. You just have to pull that one container to get what you need and easily put it back. I used the baskets from Poundland and just took off the colorful handles. I did get these two acrylic ones from Poundland as well, but there are more options on Amazon with drawers and all. They are just a bit expensive, so I'm okay with these ones. It does the job all the same. So how I arrange my fridge isn't conforming with any rules. I know raw meat, they said, needs to be at the bottom shelf, and cooked or foods that don't need cooking like cold cuts and leftovers should be above the raw. But I do what works best for me. I like putting the cold cuts, dairies, fruits, and other snacks at the bottom so it will be easier for the kids to reach. Oh, just look at our little Cassie. Well done! Look at mommy. Yummy? Yeah? I put the raw meat on a tray instead to avoid any drippings. All sauces and spreads are in the baskets. Now, let's talk about budgeting and saving tips. My main and most important tip is to meal plan. I can't stress that enough. I am not very good at it. I actually find it so hard because when I meal plan, I want to use up all of the ingredients that I will buy throughout the 2 weeks to avoid wastage. It's something I struggled to do again because it's been a few years. I think that was 2018 when I did Slimming World. Oh, I was so good at meal planning. We got to try and explore different dishes then, and everyone loved it because they don't taste like diet meals at all. Now, I would love to start doing it again. Not religiously following Slimming World for weight loss, but trying out their dishes again because they are just so good. So we are a family of 5. We have a 16, a 10, and a 19-month-old, so that includes her snacks and nappies. She's still breastfeeding, so the milk we buy are mainly for coffee and cereals. Even pre-pandemic, we have always been an online shopper. It helps us stick to our budget better and we get to save time and energy. I understand though that for many people, grocery shopping is therapeutic or it's a family affair that I have to go to shops. But for us, we prefer to shop online. Our usual Tesco grocery costs around 80 to 100. While online, we can stop adding to cart when the basket already reached our budget. I know this is also possible with Scan and Shop, so you can do that too if you would rather go shopping in store. To save even more, I subscribe to Tesco's Delivery Saver, and I chose the one that delivers only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday because Friday to Monday is a bit more expensive. I do prefer to shop in Tesco because the points are multiplied to 3 and they can be used to purchase tickets to theme parks, holidays, restaurants, and so much more. In Costco, we normally spend around 200 pounds and around 100 pounds in Asian store. That's roughly about 500 pounds per month. I would love to know if you think this is a bit too much, too little, or just right. Let me know in the comments. And that's it for now. I will be making a separate video on how I meal plan. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. See you on my next one. Bye!